Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wake up and smell the coffee. Today's idiom is wake up and smell the coffee. Do you know what is the meaning of wake up and smell the coffee? It means to face reality, stop ignoring the truth, and pay attention to what is really happening around you. Means in Urdu, आंखें खोलो, हकीकत का सामना करो, सच को तस्लीम करो. So instead of saying that you must face the reality, it's better to say wake up and smell the coffee. Thank you very much.